Hi, my name is Heather Bays, and I'm a foster parent with 15 years experience. I have been with the BCFFPA for most of that time. Today's episode of BC Foster Basics talks about foster parents' rights and support and advocacy. Enjoy. BC Federation of Foster Parent Association was created by foster parents at the request of foster parents and social workers. We became a registered charitable nonprofit organization in 1972. The focus of all of our work is to advocate for BC's professional foster caregivers so that they can focus on delivering quality care to the children placed in our homes. BCFFPA works with MCFD to develop and revise policy and practice documents to ensure a consistent professional standard of service to those who work and live within the fostering community. In 2009, the Ministry of Children and Family Development signed the foster parent rights document that was developed by BCFFPA. The document reflects the principles and values that exist between the ministry and the foster parents and the years of collaboration, respect, and trust that are the foundation of this partnership. The rights speak about continuing professional development opportunities for caregivers, consultation and input regarding placements and decisions affecting the foster home, the child's care plan development, private spaces and conversations within the caregiver's home, placement refusal, personal, religious, and cultural activities, consideration for permanency if this is part of the child's care plan, notification of welfare of former long-term placements, provision of information about the child being placed, reason for removal from placement, expected standards and consequences of not meeting the standards, access to personal information contained within ministry files, choice of support and assistance with contacting support if necessary, reasons for termination of agreement and right of appeal, respectful, fair, and professional treatment by ministry and agency staff, and assistance for any maltreatment by children in care or family members. Information regarding these rights and the protocol for resolving differences or disagreements between ministry and caregivers. Support services to stabilize a placement. Support services for caregiver when placements are terminated. As a foster parent in British Columbia, you are entitled to support whenever necessary. Supporting foster parents can be as simple as a phone call, a chat over lunch, or attending a monthly BCFFPA Local Foster Parent Association meeting for an open discussion. There are many regional support agencies that offer wonderful support to foster parents across the province. If a foster parent must attend a meeting with the ministry or an agency, they are allowed to bring a support person or advocate along with them. Foster Parent Right Number 13. The support worker or supportive volunteer can attend a meeting with a caregiver, perhaps bringing along some additional information, and they can take notes regarding the conversation. The supporter's role is behind the scenes to encourage, guide, and assist. Sometimes this isn't helpful enough and something more is needed. Offering support to a foster caregiver through contract problem or a protocol process can call for assistance of a different kind. On these occasions, what's called for is an advocate. BCFFPA can provide you with a fellow foster parent who is a BCFFPA advocacy team member. Whereas a support worker can accompany a foster parent and take notes, an advocate can, with the permission of the foster parent, speak on behalf of the caregiver. An advocate understands policy and practice standards and works towards a resolution by actively engaging in the conversation. The advocate's goal is to ensure respectful, professional conduct, full disclosure wherever possible, and a fair outcome. BCFFPA advocates understand the ministry process and are very familiar with the foster parents' rights document. Advocates are used to working as part of a team, establishing clear boundaries, and are excellent listeners. Hope you enjoyed this segment of BCFFPA's BC Foster Basics. If you need further information or assistance regarding foster parents' rights, support and advocacy, or any other foster-related subject, please call us at 1-800-663-9999 or check out our website at bcfosterparents.ca. Also, please don't forget to visit the BCFFPA YouTube channel regularly for more topics in the BC Foster Basics series. Topics such as questions to ask before placement, reporting and documentation, and many more.